So undo the Allen key bolt, and by fitting it tight you can then start to, you need to take out these two end caps on either side, which will start to become loose. There you go. Take out, push that end cap out, and this end cap will move. I say it'll move out without removing everything totally. You can then lift and drop, and then where you move that side to, this locking side pushes into there. You'll see it, there's a recess for it. The other side goes in, and then you screw them back up. Together. Once tight, puts the bars back into safe position, that they're not